I'm here at Sizzler in Mermaid Beach. It's been a celebration month in the Peeps household. We've celebrated our 22nd wedding anniversary by going on a beautiful gondola ride around the Gold Coast canals. It was truly spectacular, watching the sunset as the waves and the ocean and the breeze swept by. It was also my birthday. 21 again, peeps. Yes, 21 again. We went to Seaworld and I went swimming with a beautiful dolphin named Sumi. We played a lot of water games and just had a ball. It was really a fun day. Also on my birthday, an Australian iconic restaurant known as Sizzler closed its doors after 35 years. The question on a lot of people's mind was, what about the cheesy toast? So what I'm going to do in the Peeps kitchen is cook the cheesy toast Sizzler style just for you. All we need is 3 ingredients: some fresh, thick, toasty white bread, some Italian pecorino cheese, and some butter or margarine. The pecorino romano cheese is an aged, salty Italian cheese often used for grating, made with sheep's milk. It simply means ovine or of sheep in Italian. If you can't find the pecorino cheese in your local supermarket, you can use Parmesan. Now we're going to cook our cheese toast. Actually, it's cheese bread. It's toast after it's cooked. So, not to confuse you, but what we're going to do is use the little pizza bacon grill oven. We're going to cook it one style in here, and then the recommended version is in the fry pan. And I'm going to let you, my peeps, be the judge of which one you think is the better one. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is grate the cheese. Perfect. That's about 125 grams of grated cheese. Then we need about 125 grams of butter, and we're going to mix everything together. This is how you want it to look, soft and all combined together nicely so that when you go to butter it on the bread, it will be nice and smooth. If you need it to soften a little bit more, just add it in the microwave to soften the butter. So we're just going to add a little bit of butter to the fry pan. Not too much butter because you've already got a lot of butter in the ingredients. What we're going to do next is get the 2 pieces of bread, and I'm going to just butter on the ingredients. Like so. All right, so I've buttered these ones and we're going to pop them into the oven. Oops, don't burn yourself when you're doing this. The oven is preheated. Now I haven't done the bottom, it's only the top. Then we're going to get the other 2 pieces of bread, and I'm just going to pop them on the fry pan and just lightly cook them on one side. And then I'm taking them out, so they'll look like that on one side. Then I'm taking them out and I'm just going to bring them back over to the breadboard. And we're going to then add the Parmesan cheese onto the bread. Meanwhile, the other two pieces of bread are cooking in the little oven, and they should be able to come out very, very soon. Now you can add as much as you like to the bread. It really just depends on if you like a real cheesy type of toast, or whether you're on the diet and you don't want to add too many carbs. Now what we need to do is turn it over very carefully. Oh, hear that, peeps? When you hear that sound, you know it's up at the right temperature. Now I am multitasking, peeps, so I'm going to now take out the first cheesy toasts. Oh, look at that. Now you're the judge, so you can tell me which one you think is the Sizzler Cheesy Toast. That's the first one. In the fry pan, we just want to move it around just a little bit so that that cheese doesn't stick to the fry pan. And you can gently look underneath just to make sure it's not burning. These are coming off now. Here we are, peeps. We've got version number 1 cooked in the oven grill, and there's version number 2 which has been cooked on the fry pan. They both smell delicious, they look golden. Now all we have to do is try them. So let's tuck in. While we're waiting on the judging of these yummy cheese toasts, I just wanted to do a special shout out to all my international followers. Ya in Greece, Ni hao in Singapore and Malaysia, Kia ora in New Zealand, and G'day mate in Australia. After having my special helper Darren, thank you Darren, we finally decided on which toast tasted more like the real Sizzler toast. And it is the fry pan cheesy toast that is the winner. It was yummy. Thanks for watching my cheesy toast Sizzler style. If you like this recipe and any others, you can find me on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Well, where to for lunch?
I know where I want to go for lunch.
I don't want to spend a lot of money.
Not fast food.
Fast food, definitely not fast food.
But I don't want to spend a lot of time.
So where to?
Sizzler.
Yeah. So where to for lunch tomorrow?
How about Paris?
Paris? For lunch? I don't want to spend a lot of money.
The steak, seafood, salad. Sizzler.